If you want to open an app in split screen on Redmi 15, all you have to do is go to Background Apps or Recents, and over here you can press and hold your finger on the app that you wish to open in the split screen. After holding your finger on the app, you will reveal these options, and you want to choose this one with 2 rectangles. So go over here, and now we can open another app that we want to open in the split screen. So I'm gonna actually go back, and let's say I'm gonna open the Play Store. And now, as you can see, I have 2 apps open at the same time. We can adjust the split by grabbing by this thick white line over here in the middle. You can tap on these 3 dots that we have at the top of each app in order to find additional options. And if you want to, for example, close the split screen, you can move all the way down or all the way up like this, or you can tap on the 3 dots in order to find this option for full screen or just to close, like so. And then you can even reopen another app, but we can grab all the way to the bottom, I mean, in order to go back to the full screen like this.